आई थिंक कुछ अलग अलग स्टोरीज कन्वे करने का मन एज एन एक्टर किया है, और जितना इम्पोर्टेंट काम है मीडिया का, जर्नलिज्म का, आई थिंक उतना क्रेडिट उनको नहीं मिलता है.
Mrunal, Amrita, thank you for being part of this film. Thank you. Mrunal, thank you for agreeing to a special appearance. It is a huge thing for us that Mrunal said yes to us. It's a big deal that you said yes. So thank you so much.
The pleasure is all mine.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for joining us, Amrita. Thank you very much for joining us, Mrunal. And there we have it. All the seats are filled. And let's get to your questions. Ladies and gentlemen and friends from the media, it's time for you to ask questions. You've seen the wonderful trailer. Whatever your questions may be about the trailer or the film, or for our director or the cast and producer and Pratiksha here, please go ahead. दरख्वास्त करूंगी कि आप जिस पब्लिकेशन से आए हैं उसका नाम लें, अपना नाम लें और अपने क्वेश्चन को एड्रेस करें जिनसे भी आप पूछना चाहते हैं.
हाय कार्तिक, मैं स्मिता, दैनिक जागरण से.
हेलो स्मिता जी.
हेलो स्मिता जी, नमस्ते.
नमस्कार, आप सभी को बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद. ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा है.
अरे थैंक यू मैम.
कार्तिक, सबसे पहला सवाल तो यही पूछेंगे, धमाका, भूल भुलैया 2, फ्रेडी, शहजादा, कैप्टन इंडिया, बैक टू बैक इतनी फिल्में, तो क्या लॉकडाउन की कुछ कसर निकाल रहे हैं?
तो लॉकडाउन में कुछ काम नहीं किया तो साल पूरा वेस्ट हो गया, तो कसर नहीं. बट थैंकफुली आई थिंक लॉकडाउन ने एक तरीके से मैम मुझे एक पर्सपेक्टिव भी दिया है काफ़ी चीज़ों का, एंड हम सबको ही दिया है कि काफ़ी टाइम मिला सोचने के लिए और नई नई चीज़ें ट्राई करने के लिए. आई थिंक ये जो फिल्में हैं, ऑफ कोर्स इसमें से 2 फिल्में वो हैं जो मैं पहले से कर भी रहा था बिफोर लॉकडाउन, प्री कोविड एरा, एंड देन बाकी जो मेरी सब्सिक्वेंट फिल्म्स हैं ऑफ कोर्स वो थोड़े से मेरे यूजुअल फिल्म से बहुत अलग हैं. कहीं ना कहीं एक ये डिसीजन बहुत रहा है दिमाग में कि कुछ अलग करना है. एक विद द ऑनगोइंग जो ये कोविड का सिनेरियो हुआ, आई थिंक उसकी वजह से बहुत एक दिमाग में ये एक रिस्क टेकिंग एबिलिटी आ गई. आई डोंट नो किसी तरह कि आई थिंक कुछ अलग अलग स्टोरीज कन्वे करने का मन एज एन एक्टर किया है. ऑडियंस का पैलेट भी बहुत चेंज हुआ है, एंड हमारा भी एज एक्टर्स आई थिंक, या मेरा भी पर्सनली अगर मैं बात करूं तो मेरे लिए भी एक ये मौका था एक अलग किरदार निभाने का. मैं धमाका की बात करूंगा, बाकी जो भी मैं फिल्म्स कर रहा हूँ ऑफ कोर्स उनमें भी मैं अलग अलग किरदार निभाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ जितना कर सकता हूँ. तो ये मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ा मौका था, बी इट collaborating with Ram sir, with Netflix, with Ronnie sir, of course, who's been backing edgy stuff throughout, and one of the pillars हैं हमारी इंडस्ट्री के. तो सर प्लीज़ ऐसे और फिल्में देते रहिए. but so I have enjoyed this collaboration and worked with some really great talented actors, so Mrunal, Amrita, everyone, and so it's been a एक चेंज ओवर आया है. आई डोंट नो समहाउ एक रिस्क टेकिंग एबिलिटी आ गई है पैंडेमिक में आई थिंक, और मैं टाइम वेस्ट भी नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, फिल्में करना चाहता हूँ. वर्कोहॉलिक तो हुई, तो वो शायद से अभी और ज़्यादा दिख के आ रहा है. एक पॉज के बाद अचानक से रीसेट हुआ है लाइफ में.
लेकिन पिक्चर रिस्की नहीं है, पिक्चर सेफ है.
पिक्चर सेफ है.
डिसीजन रिस्की था लेकिन पिक्चर सेफ है.
ये बहुत अलग. हाँ, करेक्ट.
कार्तिक, एक चीज़ और पूछना चाहेंगे.
जी मैम.
ये फिल्म करने के लिए जर्नलिज्म की दुनिया के प्रेशर को कितना समझ पाए?
मेरे को मतलब इज्जत बहुत बढ़ गई. आप सबके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इज्जत बढ़ गई है, क्योंकि जितना क्रेडिट आपको देना चाहिए वो बहुत कम मिलता है. जिस तरीके का जितना बड़ा काम है और जितना इम्पोर्टेंट काम है मीडिया का, जर्नलिज्म का, आई थिंक उतना क्रेडिट उनको नहीं मिलता है यूजुअली. ये किरदार निभा के मुझे उसकी एक वैल्यू बहुत समझ आई है कि कितना डिफ़िकल्ट है, कितना ऑन योर टोज रहना पड़ता है आपको हमेशा, एंड विद टाइम एंड अपडेटेड रहना पड़ता है. आई थिंक हैट्स ऑफ टू यू गाइज एंड अ huge round of applause.
Big hand, big clap. But having said that, it's not about journalism. The film is not about journalism. The film is got a backdrop of journalism.
Correct.
But at the same time, to all of you people, all the photographers, I see you all standing even outside preview theaters all the time, you know, back in those days. And for 2 to 3 hours without food, without water, I think it's really incredible the job that you'll do. So big hand to all of you. Yeah. And the next film that me and Karthik do, we're going to take 100 days. But no, the 10 days, what happens is I'm going to spend just 1 minute. I'm not going to spend more than that, just something on technical stuff, just so that everybody understands. I shoot in a very different way. I shoot with 3 cameras, 7 cameras, and in 10 cameras sometimes. 10 bhi the ek din, ya 2 din. And imagine if we were doing this press conference today, we are doing the trailer launch today. The way I would handle it as a director is I would actually do it like this. So that means this scene would be in real time. So I shoot it like a documentary. I shoot it like theater. I also shoot it like a feature film. So this way that I've been doing from Neerja and Arya is a very particular way which we call, Amita and me now call the 360-degree system of working, which is, there are no lights on set. You can go anywhere you want. So for the actor, for Mrunal, for Amruta, for Karthik, it's a very freeing experience. So I don't do it in the traditional way. I remember so I know my 1 minute is over. I'm going to take another minute. I remember on day 5 of the shoot.
Means ki acceptance speech.
And this is my, exactly, you know. On day 5 of the shoot, we had 7 cameras. And Mrunal was part of the bridge ka set, and Karthik was here, and Amruta was there. And after my first take, I said, yaar, and we call this system, we call honest, okay? And then the other system, we call the traditional system, which is ek camera ke saath ye setup, wo setup, jaise normally picture banti hai. So I said to my team, I was in the video village, and I said to my team, yaar, ye 7 camera se abhi nahi hoga, yaar, let's just shoot it traditional. Forget it. And Karthik was there tying his shoelaces at the side, and he happened to overhear this. And this is the kind of commitment that I've had from Karthik, from Mrunal, from Amruta, which is that they committed to the way that I work. And that day, when I said I don't want to do it in my way, Karthik suddenly looked up, he was tying his shoelace, and he said, sir, traditional? आप एक कैमरा के नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं सर मुझे वैसी पिक्चर बनानी नहीं है. And he gave me the courage to follow my own conviction. And I think for an actor to motivate me to do that and to keep my vision has been a great collaborative strength from Karthik and from Mrunal and from Amruta, who've committed to where I want to go. So it's really not to do with the number of days, it's just the way that I work. In Neerja, I did shoot the plane in 12 days. I work very fast, but I also give lunch breaks and I give dinner breaks and I do a 12-hour shift.
But if I can add to that, I have to say that when you get the script, you get the script scene-wise. But in the Dhamaka script, when I received, I got it chapter-wise. So it was divided in 9 chapters, chapter 1 to chapter 9. Yep. And Ram sir made sure that each and every actor went through the workshops, made sure that we all were on the same page. Like अगर नींद से भी अगर मुझे कोई उठा के पूछे कि chapter 6 में क्या है, so I should be able to tell that, even though I am not a part of that chapter. So that's how thorough, not just the actors, but the entire crew, the entire team, and the way Ram sir had organized everything. There was a video village. Is that what we call? There was a video village.
It was called a PCR room.
PCR room, yeah. So there was like multiple monitors. There were like tents for different departments so that everyone is doing their job. Nobody's coming on set. Also shooting for me on a green screen was very challenging because it was a lot of imagination. And the way Ram sir explained it to me, the way during workshops, when we went on floor, when we were on set, we literally just rolled and we finished it in like 2 or 3 takes maximum. That's it. And I think that was the brilliant experience of my life. And this is exactly what I was craving for a long time, to work with my dream director, Ram sir. And I can say that this is my jewels that I have collected in my jewelry box.
Thank you,
yeah.
Mrunal, that's very sweet. Thank you.